I bet a bunch of y'all are wondering, are the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagineds worth it? I can definitely say, yes, they are. When it comes to quality and craftsmanship, it's very high quality. When it comes to comfort, there is a slight increase, seeing that the toe box has been reshaped. The colors are also more vibrant than any other Bred that has released in the past 35 years. They look amazing in hand, they look amazing on feet. We also have Nike Air on the back that we saw for the first time, I think in 2019. You can't go wrong with this pair. The tongue is also very plush. The leather on the sneaker does feel genuine, and I feel like if you really want a pair of the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined and you can get your hands on a pair for a decent price, you really wouldn't regret it. I think you would regret waiting and seeing the prices skyrocket. On release day, these weren't really going for much over retail, but 30 minutes after release, we saw a $20, $30, $40, $50 increases in prices. So if you want this shoe, get it now, as soon as possible, because I know within the next week or 2 weeks, prices will go up. People are going to get these pairs in hand and be like, ooh, the quality is definitely there, so I was going to sell it for X amount of dollars, but let me raise that price a little bit more. Or people who are going to sell this shoe will get it in hand, see that it's quality, see the value, and decide to keep it, meaning there'll be less shoes on the resale market for you to get, increasing the price altogether. But to summarize, I recommend getting this shoe if you want. If you really want the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, buy a pair as soon as possible.